What's up, everybody? This is the third edition of my Founder's Diary. I don't know. I haven't come up with a cool name for this yet.
Welcome to the API for Everyone Daily Brief.
But today was a good day. I actually gave an AI training, a 2-hour training inside of a prison. I'm at the Putnam County Correctional Facility, and I was asked through Ivy Tech, through a friend, to come in and do an AI training. And I believe this might be the first one in the state of Indiana. So that was very, very cool. Just got out. It's a little warm in there, but we did have an air conditioner in our training space. The staff was amazing. Of course, the Ivy Tech folks are amazing. And the students were incredible. They asked great questions. They fully embraced what I was saying. They understood everything. And I feel like, look, the future, the playing field has been equalized. Even if you are a felon, even if you are whatever your circumstances are, AI is going to offer opportunities like we've never seen before. And I saw it today in the eyes of those men. We had 48 men in the classroom, so just amazing all the way through. But I wanted to share that with everybody. This truly is AI for everyone. Well, thank you. My name is Harrison Painter. Keep creating, keep innovating, and most importantly, keep up. God bless.
Thanks for listening. I'm glad you stayed. One more spark for the plans you've made. If this show hit, go share the vibe. Like, subscribe, let's build this tribe. Been blazing trails, now I'm building new. LaunchReady's live and the work is true. No hype, no bull, no vaporware, just real